All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Avalanche, okay? Breaking down the AVAX token. AVAX is the ticker symbol. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it, looking at our daily chart, okay? It's been on a very nice, impressive rally here recently. And I just want to highlight how you could have spotted it and how you could have got in on some of this momentum and really made some nice profits, okay? So I want to highlight here we have what's called a low, all right? And then a lower low. All right, so we're moving clearly in a downtrend, right? But let's take a look at the RSI, okay, the relative strength index. The RSI has clearly, okay, been going in an uptrend, as you can see by that nice trend line there, right? So what we did when we made this low, okay, we had a very low here. That's when we created our initial low on the RSI, okay? And as time progressed and time moved on, we came and made a lower low, but look what we did. We've bounced nicely two times, okay, once and then twice right here off of the trend line. Okay, so here's our first low, here's our higher low. Okay, so low, lower low, and then we got 3 days of bullishness, right? That's when we got the first pop. So we had a low, higher low, the relative strength increased as the price went down, and we got a short-term rally. Okay, nice 3 day rally from 22 to about 27, right? So that was a nice move, but it didn't last, right? We ended up dropping back down, okay, and we broke through that bullish divergence trend line here. I started trading under it, okay, but very shortly afterwards, we flipped it back to support. If you can look right there, all right, and then that started a nice rally. Okay, we pulled back, and look at what we did. We pulled back right to our bullish divergence trend line one time, okay, and then two times. So really, in total, there was about 1, 2, 3, 4 times for you to enter this trade and look to either swing trade, right, and capitalize off of the short-term momentum, some of these short 3 to 5 day rallies, or if you're looking to hold for a longer time, you can come in here and just continue to hold your position as long as we're bouncing off of the RSI trend line. As soon as we break that trend line like we did here, that would be your sign to exit the play, okay? Because we're not holding that bullish momentum, and you can go ahead and get out and avoid, a big drop, right? Like a drop from 24 down to 12, okay? So that's the main thing that I'm trying to highlight in this video and go ahead and show you guys. It has been performing pretty well and holding some valid support and resistance levels, right? If we make it up here, all right, basically past this level, because in my opinion, there's weak market structure. Okay, if you look at the candlesticks, they go down quickly through this area. All right, so as soon as we get past this basic resistance line of right around 35, all right, there's going to be weak market structure, and it's going to be very easy for us to head quickly back up towards 53. Okay, so we could be seeing 53 on AVAX here soon if the overall bullish momentum continues throughout the stock market and cryptocurrency, right? But this could be we could be seeing a lot of bear cat rallies or bear market rallies. I'm sorry. And that's something not to get mistaken with, right? When something goes from $12 to $24, that's a nice 100% increase, but you also have to keep in mind just the overall context of everything, right? When this thing was trading in the hundreds, and now it's only at like 27, 28. It's a really big drop in the price. Okay, so you have to be prepared mentally or have a game plan if you're looking to invest in cryptocurrency, or you can just get in and out and trade stuff like I like to do. I like to just look for setups, right? A lot of them are bullish divergence where I'm seeing lower lows being created but higher lows being created on the RSI. Those are really nice setups that will help give you an edge in the market, right? You need an edge against your competitors, okay? And so what you can do is you can start to utilize this strategy and enter off of the trend line, right? And once you see that trend line and you see that we're coming to retest it, you can grab a position and cut your position if we break the trend line and start trading below. But if we're holding the trend line, you can have faith and continue to hold your play as the price goes up. All right. Now, it's not 100% guaranteed because nothing's 100% guaranteed. Otherwise, we'd all be billionaires. But hopefully, I provided some value in this video and maybe you learned something new. Okay. So if you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I do viewer requests too every single week. So if you want to see your stock, your cryptocurrency in the next video, make sure to comment below.